Compatible only with Oral-B refill heads. You will receive one Oral-B Series 7 White Alabaster electric toothbrush, one Oral-B Ultimate Clean replacement brush head, and a premium travel case. Perfect pressure, signals red when brushing too hard and green when brushing just right. Personalized brushing, display screen helps motivate you and enables you to customize your brushing experience. Sensational Clean, redesigned dentist-inspired round brush head with twisted bristles reach every contour for a deep clean. Live coaching with visible timer, AI. Tracks where you are brushing and guides you to 100% coverage so you don't miss any zone, while the visible timer ensures you brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes. The Oral-B series rechargeable toothbrush combines powerful, but gentle micro-vibrations with Oral-B unique dentist-inspired round brush head design for a professional clean feeling every day. The smart pressure sensor helps to keep you from brushing too hard to protect your gums and enamel. Eye recognition using an interactive display helps guide you to your best clean for all areas of the mouth. A 2-minute quadrant timer comes built-in that pulsates every 30 seconds, ensuring a complete clean. The frictionless, smooth magnetic drive system transfers energy to the bristle tips for a clean that wows. Replace your Oral-B series replacement brush heads every 3 months for best results. Top reviews from the United States. Love this toothbrush. Sparkling clean teeth, every time. This is what happens twice a day since I've purchased this toothbrush. Loved it so much I bought another one for my wife.